Naughty little salamander.
Where's your other guy? Other guy? What other guy? Am I holding him well?
Yes.
There he goes!
Alright, we should put the log back down now.
Look, they're in a bunch! They're a bunchy lunch! They're actually not a lunch. I can't eat them.
Nope. Okay, we're gonna put the log down now.
Okay. Bye-bye, salamanders. It was great to see you. And you. And you. Bye! Yeah, la, la.